Welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we talk about handbags and lifestyle and beauty and fashion. And today, guys, I'm so excited because we will be reviewing Diane von Fürstenberg's Ready to Wear Spring 2025 collection, and I have found looks for less. I am so excited about you guys seeing what I found. So before we get into this video, click on like and subscribe, hit the notifications button, because trust me, you're not gonna want to miss this in upcoming videos that I have ready for you guys. Okay, let's get into this video. Diane von Fürstenberg is a legend. She is famous for creating the wrap dress back in the 70s. She has a global presence. Her ready-to-wear collections are legendary. And today we will be looking at pieces from her spring 2025 ready with some inspired counterparts that I've been able to find on Amazon. So you can have that Diane von Fürstenberg look for less. So what we're going to do is jump right into this. So the first item is an inspired look of her Selena dress. It is absolutely adorable. It has a tank top like top with a long skirt, and it has pockets. The Selena dress is priced at $398. I've been able to find a look for less for $37.99. And the dress that I found on Amazon also has pockets. It is so cute. You can wear it as it is. You can put on a blazer with it. You can put on a denim shirt, a straw hat. You can really work this dress. It is absolutely beautiful and timeless. So the next look that we have is actually a two-piece outfit. It is the click tank, which is priced at $228, and the Isadora skirt at $328. So you're looking at about $566 for this dress. However, I've been able to find an inspired look on Amazon for $42.98. So look, I'm just letting y'all know right now, this is one that I am getting. I am absolutely getting it, because with it being two-piece, you can pair it with other items in your wardrobe. I see this as a very good look during the summer, going out to dinner or going clubbing. You can do so much with a two-piece outfit, and this is one of my favorites. The third look that we have is it's the Arana dress, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is a wrap dress, and I really like the geometric print on this dress, and it's timeless. Her wrap dresses is what she's famous for. She hit it out the ballpark again with this dress. I can see a lot of people having it in their collection because it is something that you can wear to work. This young lady has it paired with a headscarf. She's kind of put a little pizzazz on it. But yeah, you can wear this to work. You can wear it to church. You can wear this out clubbing, dinner. It translates across the style gambit. You can even carry it from spring, summer into fall and winter. I have a few wrap dresses in my collection, and what I've done is during the wintertime, put a V-neck cardigan or V-neck sweater over top, have the collar sticking out, and pair with boots. That's to shut them down. That's the look that translates very well into the office. You can't go wrong with one of her wrap dresses. The next item on the list is another one that I'm going, yes, gotta have it. It is a bold print dress. It's white with these big, bold, beautiful blue flowers. The loose is $1,248. She is gorgeous. Yes, she is. However, I found one that is inspired, and it is $43.38. Now, this one, both dresses have a drop waist. Um, Diane's has spaghetti straps, but I have to admit I like the Amazon one better. It's got a little sleeve to it, but it has a little sexiness because it's got the cutouts in the waist. And that to me is a little forgiving. It accentuates your waistline and your hips a little bit better. So I do like the Amazon dress better. And for the price, you're saving about $1,200. So the next item is the Aphrodite jumpsuit. And with this jumpsuit, I really, when I was looking, I was like, I couldn't really find an exact match for it, but I did find some dresses that have bold prints. So there is one that is a halter dress. It's $98.65. So it gives you a very bold around the neck. The way her dress is, it has a thin strap going around the neck. However, or her jumpsuit has a thin strap. However, this dress has a strap that goes around the neck, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I really do. And it does save quite a bit the money because her jumpsuit is $898. This dress is $98.65. So there you go. Next, we have this beautiful, beautiful dress. It is coral and orange, and it has spaghetti straps, and it screams summer night. It screams let's go dancing. It screams I could wear this to, oh gosh, going to a beach wedding. This dress, you could just do so much with it as well. And the hemline is absolutely gorgeous with the ruffles at the bottom. However, I found a dress online by a company called Pretty Garden, and it is $49.98. It has some of the same colors, the whites, the pinks, the orange, and it does have the spaghetti strap. So you can, like I said, the look for less. So the last piece that we are reviewing is one that when I saw it, I said, she did not come to play. She came to slay. The drama is real, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is the Hermia Ombre. It's a chiffon, and it is pink and yellow, and she is priced at $558. However, I was able to find something that was similar to that online for $32.99. And I have to admit, I love them both. I love them both. But because the one on Amazon has that bold black and white stripe that goes around the dress, and it's just, I really like the length of the dress that I see on Amazon as well. And the arms, I would go with that one. But yes, you can save quite a bit of money if you do go that route. So with that said, that's our wrap up of the 7 dresses that they give you that spring 2025 ready to wear collection look. So thank you for watching. Please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel. My goal is to have 500 subscribers before the end of May. So if you're watching the video, please help the channel out by clicking like and subscribe, as well as the notifications, because when we post videos, you will receive those notifications. And thank you. And until the next time, peace and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.